Alright guys, so if you saw the last video, you'll see that I picked up this shifter right here from the Junkyard for the DA. I'm actually going to go down there, install this shifter, and then I'm going to tighten up the linkage bolts in here a little bit, just to make sure it's in tip-top shape. So let's go ahead and get the jack stands, and we're going to jack it up. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm filming this video literally right after the Junkyard video when I picked this up. So yeah, wearing the same hoodie. I got sweatpants on though, so fuck it. But we're gonna install this linkage, so we're gonna go and jack up the car like I said. Jack stands, we're gonna do it. Alright, car's up on the jack stands. We got a hella wheel gap, so you know it's lifted up pretty high. We're gonna go ahead and take out the linkage. Got my handy work light. So yeah, we're gonna head down there and take out the linkage and the shifter. Alright, so before we do that, I'm gonna give you guys a before thing here. So it makes a lot of noise. If you put it in gear like this, you can't even tell it's in fucking gear. So I'm gonna tighten everything up down there. It's pretty loose. Replace this whole thing because it's just shot. So I'll catch you guys when I got it installed, or maybe halfway through or something like that. Alright guys, so just pulled it out right now, and as you can see, this was the old one and it's clapped. Like, look at this. This thing is just destroyed. Look at how easy it just comes off of the ball here. So this one's pretty clapped out. As you can see where they chopped it, the threads right here are chopped down way lower than these ones, so that's how they made it look shorter. It might actually just be an entirely different gear selector, just because I'm not sure how they did these bends and shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this one in, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install it in there and see if it works better, see if it's more solid, which it already looks more solid, but you know, whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we got this thing installed. Alright, so we got the new shifter installed. It does feel way more tight, but it does still shake even after adjusting the linkage. It still shakes in gear. I guess that's normal, but when I got this off the DA in the Junkyard, it didn't do that, but it doesn't have any play up and down anymore, which is good. So it's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for, you know, this one. It's gonna be what, like a 2-minute video. Really, I'm probably just gonna, you know, upload this the day after I uploaded the Junkyard one. But go ahead and drop a like if you liked, dislike if you didn't, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.